Welcome to Outlaw Woodworking. One of the things I noticed when I was repairing the waterproofing on this side of the house was the loose bolts. And these bolts are through bolts, and basically when they first build the house they crank them down pretty good, and sometimes they actually have a spring on them so that even as the house settles, which all log homes will settle, the spring will take up the tension in the bolt. But in my case there's no springs, so today on log home maintenance we're going to go through and just snug them down. They don't need to be super tight, but we're going to snug them down, and we'll go around the whole house, and it's just something you have to do every 10 years, and it's probably never been done on this house. Anyway, let's get to it. One thing I like about doing the work myself also is I get to see if you're going around your whole house and tightening all these bolts, you're down looking at stuff that you don't normally look at, and it gives you a chance to find things that you might need to address. And matter of fact, when I go around the front corner, not this corner but the next corner, I see that side of the house right there. See this crack right here in this log? I'll point to it right here. But you can see you don't want moisture to get in between that crack. So that's something I need to come back and fill that and take care of that, protect it from the weather. Winter's coming and you want to be as prepared as possible. So I go around the whole house and I'm almost to the end, and basically I get all of them snugged up, and pretty easy. And there you go, all through bolts tightened up. There was, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think there was only about 16 through bolts, and they were 3/4 inch all thread. None of them have springs, but if they don't have springs, then just snug them up. And these have never been. This house is 15 years old, so these have never been tightened up. But now I've got them all snugged up, not too tight, just snug, and yeah, should be good for. The chances are the settling's done after 15 years, but you never know. But it's a nice feeling if you get them all snugged up, and yeah, through bolts on a log home. So thanks for watching this episode of Outlaw Woodworking, and we'll see you next time. Later.